Hi, I'm Andrea Wörrlein. I'm co-founder and board member at VNC. You might notice that in some of our videos I appear as a digital avatar. Let me be very clear. There is a real person behind this avatar. It's me. At VNClagoon, we value authenticity and openness. That's why we are completely transparent about using powerful AI technology for video creation. We use avatars to create content faster, experiment with cutting-edge tools, and scale our communication more efficiently while always keeping the human message and our core values at the center. This approach perfectly reflects our culture: sovereign, innovative, and human-centered technology that empowers people rather than replacing them. Just like VNClagoon itself, the autonomous workplace that stays yours. I'm excited to share more insights about sovereign AI and secure communication and collaboration with you. Thank you for joining me. Let's build the future together. Feel free to reach out anytime.